Welcome to TechShaba channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete unnecessary file from your Windows. To do this, click on Start, then type Run. Click on the Run, then type temp, temp, press Enter. To select all the file, press Ctrl and A to select all the file. Then click on Shift plus Delete to delete permanently all the files. Click Yes. Let's open the Run menu again by click Windows plus R. Then type % from both sides of temp. Press Enter. Select all the file, Ctrl plus A. Delete permanently, Shift plus Delete. Open the Run menu again. Now type prefetch. OK. Select all the files. Delete. Now refresh the whole computer together. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.